Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you the benefits of a standalone page and how to create a standalone page at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click the login button. And we're already logged in. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. To work on your website, to create the standalone page, you're going to click on the website button. And we're going to be working with pages today. These are all the other editing tools, but we're going to focus on pages. And let's take a look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. Now, first of all, standalone page is a page that's not in a menu. So this is the top menu here. This is the page menu. And then the bottom page menu is down here. A standalone page is not going to show in a menu. We created this blog post, the benefits of a standalone page and how to create. And so a standalone page is a page that doesn't show on your website. It's not in a menu. These are the benefits. Some of the benefits are it can be a promotional page to send to certain customers. It can be a free gift for people that sign up for your newsletter, a monthly promotion for customers that have opted in, things like that. Some gift ideas are an ebook, a promo code, an e-card, an e-gift card, depending on the promotion. It could be also like a page with a special class or tutorial for paid accounts, something like that. And then here are the steps. And to find these benefits, these steps, and this important note, make sure that you go to our help site at help.dataczar.com and click on website help. And that's where you're going to find this tutorial video. And you'll find these written instructions. One important note that I want to mention, if you by chance change your page title and update your page, then anyone with the old page won't see the update. They'll see the page without the update. So it's generally not a good idea to adjust the page title when updating the page. So just keep that in mind, and keep in mind these written instructions are here. So let's tab back over, and we're going to click on Pages to create the standalone page. And so this is the top menu here. This is the bottom menu that we just looked at. And then the standalone page, this is not in a menu. By the way, this is people that sign up for your newsletter. This is the sign up confirmation that they'll see. You can edit that if you want. And also, if they fill out the contact form, this is the information that they see, the thank you that they'll receive. But to create the standalone page, we're going to click on Create Blank Page. And then, let me just grab some stuff here real quick. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste down here. This will save us a little time. Thank you for signing up for our hiking workshop. Please use promo code HIKE2022 to receive 20% off your next online purchase. So let's go ahead and center this. And we're just going to bold this part on the promo code. And let's just call this page Thank You for Signing Up. So the page title, we're going to do Thank You for Signing Up. And now we're going to create this standalone page. This is going to be a page. It's not in a menu because we created in the not in the menu section. So click Create. And you can go back and click on Pages again. And then when you scroll down, you'll see that you have the Thank You for Signing Up, the page that's not in the menu. So now you need to share this with somebody. To share it, you just go down here, you copy the link. So the link's copied into my clipboard right there. So just click the drop down, click Copy Link, and it's copied into your clipboard. Let's go out of full screen. So go to a new tab, and let's go ahead and paste it in. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in the link. And the link is just basically the page title. Thank you for signing up. And when I paste it in, that's what they're going to see. They're still going to have the website, but this page here that we just created, thank you for signing up for a hiking workshop. Please use promo code HIKE2022 to receive a 20% off your next online purchase. This page that we just created is not part of the top menu. It's not part of the bottom menu. Then if they click off of it, like on to the blog or something, it'll just simply disappear. But they'll still have the link that you either emailed them or you text them. So just remember, a standalone page is normally emailed or text to someone. It's not in one of your menus. It's great for doing promotions and that sort of thing. And then also, if you change your page title, if somebody has the old link, they won't see the updated information. So if I change this, that's fine. But if I change this and change my page title, then the people with the old link won't see the update. So if you update your page, that's fine. But it's probably a good idea just to leave the page title as is. Let's get out of here and go back over to Connect. And then one other thing that I want to do is make sure that you click on our Help button on the main menu and visit our Help Center. The featured tutorial videos are really good too. Make sure you visit our Help Center. That takes you to help.dataczar.com. As I mentioned, if you click on Website Help, that's where you're going to find this tutorial. It'll be in this section. And let's tab back over, back to Connect. We'll go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's the benefits of a standalone page and how to create a standalone page with Dataczar Connect.